Sunday. It's January 4. It's been exactly 1 month since Leicester arrived here in the Philippines. And it's our first quote-unquote monthsary. Thing pa ba yun? Anyway. It's Leicester's last 15 days here in the Philippines and I want to make the most out of it. And I want to get to document everything as much as I could. It's a Sunday and I'm playing the bass today. It's the first Sunday of the year actually. We are done getting ready. I'm wearing lipstick today and I don't even know why I wore lipstick today pero let's go with it. Anyway, tinawagan na tayo ni Leicester kaya tara na. I said,
Oh God. Welcome to my vlog.
may I hold it first?
Aircon mo. Ay, gano'n. Bakit na naman? Bakit? Ba't mo may gusto ko na ako tayo? Pinipindot ko, akala ko naka-off na.
Sali ko. Second to the last Sunday together. Now we're in church. Totoo lang. Narinig ko yun. Huli ka. Rally boy! Rally boy! So guwapo! You're so guwapo! Remember when I told you this morning that I wanted to vlog today? After the morning service, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. And it's 2:30 p.m. Wala na. We're now here at Tropical to have lunch before we play bowling to celebrate Kaisel's birthday. That I will vlog for sure. Ano yung masasabi mo?
Pasok na ako bukas. Commercial. Commercial. Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yung commercial?
Hindi namin gusto yun. We are now here, still at Q Plaza, buying Belgian waffle before heading up the bowling lane. Wala pa yung friends namin. Ang gaganda. 3:00 na. Isa pong Belgian waffle chocolate. Thanks, ate. Zed! Zeddy. Boy, tropical.
Kami kumain eh. Let's go! Hey guys, let's go!
Lahat na maglalaro. Lapit dito. Merry Christmas! Dito dada, ha? Des muna kayo na. Merry Christmas! Yeah.
Oh, sige! Sige! Kiss them, kiss. Kiss.
Happy birthday, Dada! Everybody say happy birthday, Dada! We're gonna get shoes! Thanks a lot. Tada! Let's go, team! Hey, boy! Get ka there! Hindi ka nag-church! Zil, here! Zil, dito! Go! Nice one! Ay! Yan!
Wow!
Yay! Oh, let's go!
Nandito tayo guys sa Q Plaza. At ito po ang mukha ko. Panis! Panis! DJ Osmo 3, let's go!
Riley boy! Jeto, sabihin mo, I'm proud of you. Pagbalik ha. Pagbalik. Sabihin mo ha. Sabihin mo. Wait lang, may inaabangan sa ate agay.
I'm proud
Tapos na yan, Jem. Tapos na, Jem.
Kapag tumira, pero proud na ako.
Go.
I'm proud of me.
Halata dito. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Para pinractice mo. Nice one, guys! Isa pa, 100 ka na. Kaya mo yan. Pinaspare mo yan talaga, Starbucks ka sa akin. Ay, patay tayo dyan. Sabi ko Starbucks ka sa akin. Patay tayo dyan.
Iba pala yung ano.
Gusto yung Starbucks. Bili mo yung pinaka...
May Starbucks ka na sa akin, te. Chai yan, chai. Oo.
Kahit ano. Magkikita ko ng biscuit. Hindi na
Go Lab! Strike, strike! Nice, Dada! Ay! Epal.
Nice try, love.
Wala man naka-amor-amor. Nautal pa. Tumitingin pa sa camera.
Nice try,
Ang daya talaga.
Oh, let's go, let's
Nice lab. I recorded it.
So proud.
Bago ka pa magsalita, umiwas eh. Parang di asawa, gano'n.
Parang na to. Parang, wow.
Gulat ko eh.
Ayun na nang ginagawa ko.
We? Strike yan, ate. Ay! Pero strike yan eh. Ay! Oh, so smooth. Parang conditioner. Oh, so Bowling pa. Oh, so smooth. Nice, Dada! Oh! Hindi ko na video. Video ko yung reaction namin. Nice! There. So smooth!
Okay, good, go, come here. Look, move, try to move, left and right, See, he's following you.
Maganda. Oh! Ready, smile, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Happy birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday, Dada!
Happy birthday, Dada.
Joey Sabu!
Happy birthday, Dada.
Happy birthday, everyone!
Happy
Birthday, Dada!
Malakas
Happy
mo.
birthday! Happy birthday, Dada! Happy birthday, everyone!
Now we are going to the cafe or a restaurant. I'm not sure. Gusto ko ata magkape nila, guys. Ay, tignan mo to. Tignan mo siya. Susundan ka niya. Esther. Sinusundan siya. Akala niya masusundan din yung laruan niya. Hindi kayo pumila?
Akala ko talaga atbay lang. Eh, wala namang
Walang pumingin. Takot sa tattoo mo, Dada. Grabe kasi yung tattoo mo eh. Mamaya viral na kayo.
Candy.
Chocomint, yung puti. Hindi ko alam eh.
Kinanta niya.
Ako louder. Mali siya eh. Isa pa ulit. Isa pa. Wow!